In this video, I'll show you how you can set up Twitch donations. So for that, we don't need Twitch at all. We need a website called streamlabs.com. So this is a company that's going to help you set up your Twitch donations, and most of the big popular streamers actually use Streamlabs to do that. So first of all you need to do is go to streamlabs.com and click on login right there. You can then sign in with Twitch. So click on Twitch right there. And this is the easiest way to set this up. So click on Twitch and it will sign in. You probably need to enter your information if you sign in for the first time, or sign up, of course. I've already done that. So I'm going to go straight to my dashboard. Now once you're here, all you need to do is click on search Streamlabs and then search for donation. You'll then see all the results and you want to click on donation settings. This will send you over to this page, and this is where you can actually set it up. Now right there you'll find a few different donation methods. Now one of them is PayPal, and I highly recommend you use that. You can also go with the other ones, but I like to use PayPal and most will use PayPal. So click on PayPal right there and then click on connect. This will then send you over to PayPal, where you need to sign into your account. That's exactly what I'll do right now. Okay, so once you've connected your PayPal account, you want to click on settings right there. Now these are the settings for your donation page. So right there, you can select the currency. If you want to change your currency, you want to click right here and then choose the one you like to use. So let's say that I don't want US dollars, but I want to receive donations in euros. You then type in EUR and then you can choose that. I'll just go with USD for now. Next up, you can also give your viewers a minimum amount. So you can do a minimum of $1, or you can just do no minimum at all. So that's totally up to you guys. You can also enter the maximum message length. Okay, so that's once again totally up to you guys. It kind of depends on what you want to do with all of this, but I'm just showing you how you can change it. So right there, you can add a suggested amount. You can do tipping presets, okay, just like that. Now you can add them as well. So let's say that you want to add a $100 preset donation, you type in 100. If you want to add a $500 donation, you type in 500 and you get the point. Okay, so there are maximum 5 of those that you can add. Preferred lingo, donation, tip, or custom. So this, like I said, this kind of depends on what you want to do and how you want to set this up. Okay, right there you can use custom bad words. You can pretty much customize all of this. Now right there, this would be your donation page. So you want to copy that so that you can use it. If I now click on it, it will show you and me what it looks like as of right now. So this is what it looks like. People can then donate right here. And that's pretty much how you can set this up. So please keep in mind that by using a company like this and PayPal will actually take a small fee because they're processing all those payments. So they will take about I believe it's 2 up to 5% of your donation. So make sure you pay attention to that as well while setting this up. But this is pretty much how you can set this up. So like I said, within just a few minutes, you now have your own donation page, and this is what it looks like. You can always customize that, and people can add effects and send gifts and all of that. But that's how you can do this. So if this video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.